And the weather gets cool and your heater is working overtime, you might be in the market for new windows or siding to protect your home. Lakeside Renovation and Design is busy this time of year, and I caught up with them on a recent project. Family-owned and operated company Lakeside Renovation and Design is busy on the job, installing new windows and siding on this home.
We're an employee-based company, so we have a lot of in-house skilled carpenters and craftsmen that are going to be performing the work and install of window installations as well as siding, as well as most of our carpentry projects.
This house is being transformed with products that Lakeside Renovation and Design is best known for.
Here you see the Marvin Infinity line, which is a fiberglass window, alongside James Hardie fiber cement siding.
St. Louis weather isn't typical, and neither is this window.
We get freezing low temperatures and then really hot warm. So that means our climate's going to see a lot of thermal expansion and contraction. So this is a fiberglass window, and what that really means is fiberglass compared to vinyl or wood just means low expansion, which is going to lead to smaller frame lines because it is stronger. So more glass, more view, more light into the space.
Their premium siding follows a similar science.
Vinyl or wood siding are the comparison sidings, which are fine products, but in our climate, high expansion contraction, all that means is gaps and openings that we allow thermal activity to kind of penetrate into our home. Hardie is going to be a very solid product, far more solid structurally than either of those products. So low expansion and contraction, and as well as that, James Hardie siding is going to be a fireproof product. It's also going to be an extremely durable product. So when we do get those hailstorms, it's not going to come out like a vinyl siding, which might have holes popped in it, or wood that's going to be dented. It's going to be solid and fine.
And Lakeside Renovation and Design is used to fielding a lot of these types of phone calls this time of year.
I mean, hey, it's cold out and my house is not, the heater's running all the time. Yeah, we get those a ton.
So how does the process work?
Yeah, so if you guys do have a project that you're hearing this and saying, yeah, I need new windows or siding or even anything, a deck built or any other remodeling, give our phone number a call or office a call, and we'll set you up with an appointment for one of our design specialists to come out. They're going to be educated in that specific space. So if you're looking for windows, we're going to have a design specialist who specializes in windows come out, help educate you, help show you the options of why this product is right for your home.
How about that before and after, huh? Well, for more information, head to their website, lakesiderenovationanddesign.com, or you can give them a call, 636-978-5000. Well,